अब बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है। कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ जीएस घुरी है। टोटल देर आर 4 कंट्रीब्यूशन जो हमें अपने पढ़ने हैं सिलेबस के लिए। फर्स्ट कंट्रीब्यूशन, स्टडी ऑफ इंडियन यूनिटी। सेकंड, स्टडी ऑफ इंडियन वैल्यूज। स्टडी ऑफ डिसइंटीग्रेशन ऑफ इंडियन यूनिटी। फोर्थ, स्टडी ऑफ रिस्पॉन्स टू वेस्टर्न इंडोफोबिक स्टडीज। ठीक है। सबसे पहले शुरू करेंगे हम इंडियन यूनिटी से। Okay. बहुत ही अलग पर्सपेक्टिव है। I'll ask you a very simple question. What keeps India united? We have so many different diverse groups, right? Different religions, different customs, different languages, different script, different food, different clothes. Still, all of us are Indians. What keeps us one? वही तो क्वेश्चन था मेरा कि what keeps us one as a nation, basically. हम्म, क्या हुआ? Common history. But we don't have common history. Common history we have as India, right? But my question is, what keeps us Indian? हाँ, कल्चर, है ना? बिल्कुल सही बोला। विच कल्चर? एग्रीकल्चर? कौन सा कल्चर? देखो, सीधी सी बात है। सम पीपल वुड से कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कीप्स अस वन, बट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज कीपिंग अस वन ओनली आफ्टर 50s. ओके, द क्वेश्चन इज बिगर देन दैट. What has kept Indians one since ages, that all of us were included in this territory as one nation? Something must have been common that all of us were threaded together into one territory as one nation called India. And that was, according to G.S. Ghurye, the value system of Hinduism. ये बोल रहे हैं वो. हिंदुइज्म के वैल्यू, ये आप अगर आप पढ़ने जाओगे, ये दिस इज राइट विंग स्कॉलर, ओके, कंप्लीट राइट विंग, ओके. The value system of Hinduism has kept us one. Now the question is how and when. When did that happen? Idea is very simple. If you remember, I told you yesterday, Aryans came to India, right? And when they came to India, वो कहाँ पहुंचे? जिस में पहुंच गए, ठीक है. और वहां जाके उन्होंने क्या किया? They got settled there in the fertile land. And after getting settled, what did they do? They formed what we call as Sanskrit script, right? Codified written form of Sanskrit. Then they also formed what we call as Vedic culture, okay, caste system, Vedic Hindu values, and many such things. Vedic philosophy of Vedant. Vedic बहुत कुछ वैदिक उन्होंने किया. Okay. और जो भी उन्होंने किया, that was in the central area, central India. Okay. And I told you yesterday, whatever they had formed there in the central land, Indo-Gangetic plain, somehow everything which they formed there got transferred over different pockets of India. Gujarat, Northeast, North, South, right? And that is how all of us were threaded into one value system, right? The value system which has its origin in the plains of Indo-Gangetic. Okay. So, घुरिये बोलते हैं, in very simple language, Aryans are responsible for cultural integration of India. And the product of Aryans, which is the Vedic Hinduism, is that value system which all of us shared gradually. And that has kept all of us as one since time immemorial. And that oneness was eventually mapped as a state territory and given constitution. Okay. So, इसी को बोला जाता है study of cultural integration. He is more like, uh, Durkheim here talking about integration. Okay, integration of Indian unity or Indian people. Fine.